In my previous video, the alarm clock didn't actually show very good. So here is the alarm clock again. And as you see, it's acting erratically again and has no control over its electronics. And this is the same EMP jammer using a 9-volt battery. And I'm going to show just a few more experiments today. So I'd like to begin with the fire or the incense. My theory is that the electromagnetic waves will be able to move the smoke. So first, as it's on fire, I'd like to show you how it acts strangely whenever it moves near it. And it blew out the fire. And it starts to glow every time I bring it near. And some sparks show up, showing it's conductive actually. So whenever the smoke start up, and it has begin about now. Let me turn on the light. There you go. You see the smoke? Okay. Do you see the smoke? Yeah. So as I bring this nearby, the smoke starts to move away from the source. And it seems better in the light. Here, now you can see a bit more clearly. And the smoke starts to move away. And as I move it back, it starts to flow in the same direction. Okay. So I'd like to show one last experiment. With the cell phone. So this cell phone will not be harmed by this process as it's only a 9-volt battery. But I was wondering if, because to touch the cell phone, there is an electrical conductivity between the screen and another electronic particle inside, which allows it to detect our fingers moving. But if this current is blocked or messed up basically with this, and you see, as anything I try to do, it does not work. This phone acts erratically. I can't do anything. But whenever I move it away, it's fine. But if I turn it on again, and I bring it close, it loses control and doesn't respond to my fingers. Instead, responds to the electrical current coming out of it. And as it senses something is typing, and then it moves to FaceTime. And the buttons don't work really well. But I move it away, it's back into control. And as you remember, to discharge the electrical current, you can use a metal object. And again, with more power, this would destroy a cell phone. And with more power, it would break this alarm clock. But I like to keep it safe at 9 volts to keep it from at least showing an effect, but not destroying the electronics completely. So, thank you for watching.